Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about variables in JavaScript. So variables can be thought of as container which can be used to store data value. So there are three ways we can create variables. We can use the var keyword, or we can use let keyword, and also we can use the const keyword. For now we're going to use the var keyword, and in the upcoming videos we're going to talk about let and const. So to create one variable, first of all we have to use the var keyword followed by the name of the variable, and then we can assign it one value, and this way our variable x will have the value 5. The name of the variable, also known as the identifiers, must have short names, and also the names should be descriptive like number. And also there are certain rules we need to follow while creating identifier. So one identifier can contain letters from A to Z and digits from 0 to 9, and also it can contain underscore and also the dollar sign. But one variable name can only start with a letter, and also it can begin with one dollar sign or even one underscore. And also we need to remember that the variable names are case sensitive. So if we create one variable capital XYZ and if we create another variable small xyz, then both of these variables are two different variables. And also we cannot use one of the reserved keywords of the JavaScript as variable name. Like an example, we cannot create variable like function, because the function is one reserved keyword. We cannot use that as a name for our variable. This way JavaScript has so many different reserved keywords and we cannot use them as a name for our variable. So in JavaScript we can create one variable, and also we can assign one value to the variable, or we can create one variable like variable name, and then we can assign one value to the variable later in our program, like name can be John. And also we can assign multiple variables at the same time by using comma separator. Like an example, we can create variable name and we can assign one name like Raj, and then we can use the comma separator and we can create another variable role and we can assign it one value at the same time. So this way we can use the comma separator and we can declare and assign multiple variables at the same time. And if we create one variable like var person, and if we do not assign the variable any value, then the variable will have the value as undefined. So if we console log the value, console.log, so if we log the value of the variable, and to see the output we have to go to the console. So you can see we have the value as undefined. So if we create one variable and if we do not assign the variable any value, then the variable will have the value as undefined. And also in JavaScript, if we redeclare one variable, then the value of the variable will not be lost. Like an example, previously we have created the variable role with the value 10. Now if we redeclare the variable role, then the value 10 will not be lost. So if we console log the variable role, so you can see the variable role is still having the value as 10. So this is the way we can create variables in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.